Don't get compromised. Just stop and go. Call you when I need you.
Roger.
Watcher to Yankee, eyes on the base, approaching now.
Copy, Watcher. Shit's about to get real. Keep a low profile.
Yuri should have sent you his location by now.
Affirmative. Arklom Administrative Building, near the hangar. Look for a satellite dish on the roof.
Copy. Dish on the roof.
Yuri's delegation will be looking for him. You'll have to be quick.
Quick and dirty. Neither of us can afford to be compromised.
I know Arklom well. I'll do my best to help you.
Closing on the entrance, Nick.
That's the place. Yuri's inside.
Something's up. They're on alert. I need to move.
If you go loud, they will kill you as well.
Got a problem. Need a security keycard to access.
You'll need to borrow one.
Bet I could find one on an officer. Anyone entering or exiting likely has one.
Good call. Look for an officer leaving the building.
See a major leaving the entrance. He's not alone.
Sounds like you found your mark. Follow him and get his key card.
They're just breaking away, heading upstairs towards the. They're suspicious.
Be a good place to catch him alone.
Отлично. Дельте не помешает поддержка. 10 минут как закончим.
Доложите обстановку по узлу связи.
В данное время идет
He's down. Target eliminated. Keycard secured.
He took one for the team.
Had to be done.
That one's on Makkarov, not you.
Yuri better make this worth our while. Need to blend in better.
If you go hot, it may stay hot. You need to get to Yuri.
I'm in.
Laswell, Yuri is in the storage room. Take the hallway to the right of the entrance. It should be there.
Found it. Going in. Yuri.
Watcher, I'm impressed, but not surprised. Any issues?
Several.
Collateral damage?
I hope it's worth their sacrifice. What do you have?
FSB files in Barkov's research.
Chemical weapons.
As a soldier, Makkarov was enamored with their potential.
Can they be neutralized?
I'm giving you everything we know.
Why?
Russia and the West face similar threats from within. It is imperative we collaborate to control them. Противник моего оппонента — мой союзник.
Nikolai бы с этим согласился.
Он настоящий патриот. The Kremlin is not behind these chemicals.
That doesn't mean Makkarov isn't working with Moscow.
There are extremists in both our governments.
Come again, Bravo. Bravo, your signal's weak. Come again.
In the blind, we have 2 missiles incoming to the Arklov base. They have chemical warheads. If you are there, get out.
This could be a trip.
It's not. There's another one coming.
Come on, let's be together. Let's go. That's it.
Yankee to watch. Laswell, come in. Are you alive?
For now. Missile attack.
Get to the high ground. Look for a way up to the roof for extraction.
Coming up now, Nick. You hear?
Circling now. People are dying down there. I love you. Is Yuri with you?
Negative, we split up.
He's a survivor like you.
Coming up the ladder.
Hurry, the cloud is rising.
Still pushing up,
I'm
Nick.
the ladder
Hold
as
me.
well. I'm here as well. I won't leave without you watching. Let me see you. You good?
Yeah, let's get out of here.
Russian delegation suffered massive casualties when they came under fire.
An estimated 158 deaths at the Castovian base, with more than 200 injured. Several explosions and an apparent chemical attack were seen by witnesses from miles away.
The Kremlin blames Kazakhstan for what they call a brutal and unjustifiable attack. They are asking world leaders to join them in denouncing the ULF as a terrorist organization.
Kazakhstan has been a terrorist hotspot for years, yet what has been done about it?
Absolutely nothing.
It's clear the ULF remains at large, and for all we know, they have weapons in striking distance of Moscow. How do we know we're safe?
Дамы и господа, наш самолет завершил набор высоты. Вы можете расстегнуть ремни.
هلا حلوة.
شكرا.
العيلة كل شيء.
قرب عيد ميلاد بنتي.
بنتك رابية.
كيف عرفت؟
ابنك طارق. جوزك خالد.
نعرف بعض؟
أنا بعرفك سمارة. أنت كنت ضابط باليولف. حاربت الروس.
اي من سنين.
من سنين. اسمعي ولا تحكي. احنا حنسيطر على الطيارة. حراس الجو وطاقم الطيارة كلهم معانا. وانتي كمان. عشان أورزكستان. يلا. Снижаемся. Дальний.
Hello, Samara. You exceeded my expectations today.
What do you think you are?
This is about who you are, Samara.
What is this?
History.
Get this off me, you fucking son of a bitch!
You will be a hero for what you're doing here, Samara.
No one will believe you. I am not a terrorist.
No. You're a citizen soldier inspired by Farah Karim to fight Russia. You're a freedom fighter.
You're Russian. This plane is full of Russians. How could you kill your own people?
No, I'm not killing them.
Мы ниже 8000 футов, командир.
Леурзикстане сама.
Give me that phone, you sick bastard! We can stop this!
You terrorist.
No!
You look like one. Выглядит.
Help me! Give me the cell phone! We have to defuse the bomb! Stop! Let me go! I need to get to that phone! Hurry! Give it to me! Give me that phone!
We need to update you on breaking news of a Russian passenger jet that crashed in the Urzikstan
passengers and 9 crew members
may have been deliberately crushed.
Standing very
an
looking
unexplained
for the
descent.
cockpit voice
A
recorder.
cockpit voice recorder that is a crucial part of the investigation.
Video from passenger cell phones could also shed
Hours
light
after a missile attack on Arklov military base.
suffered massive casualties when they
Could be
raided
related
acts of
in what looks to
extremism.
be a possible terrorist
Not
attack.
tolerate terrorists.
Moscow is investigating. Intentions haven't been
This has got Mackarov written all over it.
He's done more damage in 72 hours than Coney did in 5 years without him.
That airliner went down in my country.
It was no accident.
I need to get to that crash site and prove it.
ICAO data shows that it was a flight out of Kastovia bound for Sochi. It lost contact in this region.
That's all I need.
You'll have to get there before authorities arrive.
It's not the authorities I'm worried about.
Good luck, fella.
Crash site, over the ridge.
I see it. Shumasaki.
Somebody beat us here.
Russian PMCs. Kony Group.
Makkarov.
They'll blame us for this too. We need to find out what happened on that flight. Show the world it wasn't us. I won't have them call us terrorists. Not again.
What are you doing?
Going down there.
Bar, there's at least 20 guns holding that area. What do you need from me?
Overwatch. Take some high ground and cover me.
Yes, ma'am.
Affirm. Eyes on multiple Coney squads picking at the wreckage.
Looks like they're securing the site.
The ULF didn't do this. We need to find anything we can to prove it.
Laswell ran a tracer to lasso signals in the area. We can locate passenger cell phones and track down the flight recorder.
Copy. On the move.
I see you. Got your 6. I'll relay what I see from here. One down. Stay alert. Site's crawling with Coney.
These men are not welcome in my country.
Let them know.
I intend to.
Good shot, Kilo. No issues. You're clear to proceed.
I'm through Coney's perimeter.
I see you. Still plenty more patrols ahead. Got something?
Coney equipment crate. They must have been expecting resistance.
Well, they found it. Smoked him. No one saw it. one down. Quick and quiet. That was close, but I think they've lost you. Kilo, you're leaving a trail of bodies down there. Don't get compromised. Body count get you compromised, Kilo. Be careful. Solid kill. Stay on the move. Cody's regrouping.
Makkarov's men would die here with his victims.
Getting what they deserve.
If only we could kill them all twice.
Cody's sending reinforcements in. Good hit. Got your back. Cody's still got a few soldiers outside. Don't let your guard down. Enemy down.
Окружите, обыскать сектор. Ты видишь цель? Я обнаружил противника.
Cody's got more reinforcements moving in, Kilo. They're regrouping on side. Stay alert. More Coney reinforcements incoming. Bagged him.
Engaging!
Down that one.
Кто-нибудь видит цель?
Stay on the move. Cody's regrouping.
Не вижу цель. Они не могли уйти далеко. Принято.
Heads up, Farah. We got Coney reinforcements moving on your position.
Я слышу шум. Прикрываем!
Got that one. Don't get too cozy. Got more Coney moving in. Maybe something Coney hasn't found there. Look around.
Copy that, 3-1.
Got eyes on Coney gunners coming in now.
Found the phone.
Hope we got something.
It's shaky. Shouting in Arabic. Panic. That's all that is. I'll have to find another phone.
That building's barely touched. Doubt much is inside.
I'll try somewhere else. Alex, I found another one.
What do you see?
I see a woman with a gun. Samara. She's one of my soldiers.
You sure?
Yes. She would never do this.
People change. Your brother.
This is different, Alex.
I hope so. Let's see what else you can find. Eyes on a lot more debris nearby. Could have some phones.
Affirm, Echo. I see my soldier Samara in a bomb vest. This doesn't make sense.
A gun? Now a vest?
She looks afraid. She doesn't want to do this.
We both know the world won't see it that way.
Makkarov wants the world to see this. We can't let them.
Understood. The flight recorder's still somewhere on site. We'll need that data too, Farah.
Так, я не помню. Здесь противник!
You bought yourself
Eyes
some
on the
time.
black box.
Put more moving on your position.
Black box secure. Cover me while I erase it. I won't allow the Coney group to frame my nation. It ends here.
Affirmative. Fry at Kilo. No signals left. We got whatever was here. Crash site sanitized.
Let's get off the X. We link up at that info point.
Copy that, Commander. Kilo, I got a problem.
Copy. What is it?
Got Coney converging on my position. I'm compromised. Stand by.
Alex, where are you? 3-1, how copy? Echo 3-1, do you read?
They're on me. Farah, go. Get out of here now.
No, Alex. I'll find you.
truck!
What's next?
We need to find where those Coney came from, and where they're headed. I want you to track them. Do not engage unless absolutely necessary.
I'll keep my distance.
Try not to get caught this time.
No promises.
A former ULF soldier wearing a suicide vest on a Russian airliner.
She was forced. I'm sure of it. Samara. She was a good fighter. Joined my forces during the occupation. Left to raise her family.
What happened at the crash site?
They were planting evidence to frame us, and collecting the rest. We killed as many as we could and took the phones.
And the black box?
Wiped it clean.
Smart. You stopped Makkarov from controlling the narrative. If Coney operatives were on that plane, they got off somehow. Makkarov wouldn't leave that loose end.
Some people will believe the ULF was responsible.
Thanks to you, no one can prove it. People will speculate, but you beat Makkarov at his own game.
It's not enough. I sent Alex after Coney. If they're in Urzikstan, he'll find them.
Copy. When I regroup with 141, whatever we know, you'll know. And Farah?
Yes, Laswell.
I'm sorry about Samara.
Me too.